Now you can grow your climbing plants in pots using this garden trellis. In this video, I'll show you how to make this structure that is super easy, quick and cheap. I use corn stalks or canes to make the structure, but you can use any kind of pole that will do the job. I'll start by sticking one cane into each of these 3 homemade pots. If you'd like to see the video on how to make these pots at home, click the video link in the description. And then place a cane between every 2 pots. Use rope to create support lines for the climbing plants. Securely tie the rope to a cane located at one end. Make a loop with the rope around each cane located between the ends. And then securely tie the rope to the cane located at the other end. Create multiple support lines using the ropes. If you wish, you can add the reinforcement to some poles located in the center. To add more stability to the structure, you can tie the canes to a fixed point nearby. Or even secure the canes to the pots using some rope. Add a cane horizontally to maintain the shape of the trellis. Our garden trellis is finished and we can now grow our climbing plants in pots. I started by growing watermelons. After the watermelons, I'll use this same structure and pots to grow tomatoes and cucumbers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. See you in our next video, and goodbye.